If you're seeing x.com or Twitter error code 4, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This issue can happen because of a bad browser cache, a VPN conflict, network problems, or even an ad blocker interfering with the site. So follow these steps carefully and let's get you back into your account. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu in your browser. Make sure you clear both cookies and cache because old stored data can cause X or Twitter to keep showing the same error. After that, confirm the clear action and wait for it to finish. Once that's done, try loading X again and check if the error is gone. If you still see error code 4, the next thing to do is disable your VPN if you have one turned on. Sometimes X blocks or limits connections from certain VPN servers, and that can trigger login or access errors. So turn the VPN off completely, then refresh the page and try signing in again. If the problem is still there, move on to your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and try logging in using your mobile data instead. If that works, the issue may be with your Wi-Fi network. If mobile data does not work, switch it back and try Wi-Fi again. This simple network swap helps you quickly figure out whether the error is tied to your connection. Next, go to your browser extensions, find your ad blocker extension, click it, and turn it off. Ad blockers can sometimes interfere with X pages, login requests, or embedded scripts, which can cause error code 4. After disabling the ad blocker, refresh X and try again. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the issue and get the site working normally again. So to quickly recap, clear your cookies and cache, disable any VPN, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and turn off your ad blocker. If this video fixed your X or Twitter error code 4, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.